So I'm trying to make a turbo compressor, and I'm doing it for 3D printing, so it's going to have a cone on top, so that way I don't have to worry about precision as much when we're talking about including the other pieces. So this is just the fan part. So I start off getting some rough ideas of what I want to do, so I'm just using the helical pattern and just making something. Then I'm going to make some copies of the drawing and put those in the position where they are, and then use a pipe command to, then I'm going to add on the outside, just that cone I was talking about, so that way I don't have to worry about tolerances and rubbing things. It's probably going to be mostly contained right there. And then I did leave a small gap so that way air could pass through at the edge. Now for the last part, this part I don't really know what I want to do, but I was mostly trying to make that green be a consistent change throughout, so that way we get that even compression. All right, and then I'm adding a 5mm hole, so that way I can put some like 5mm threaded rod and compress it or something, and use that to spin it. But I'm not really sure on that. Maybe I'll do it differently. But this is what it looks like. I plan to print it upside down, that way it doesn't have any problems with that gap or anything. It's just the idea I had. I don't know if this is the best way to do it. So it looks pretty cool. It didn't finish printing. It detached, so maybe need some work on that, but I still think it's a pretty good idea. The fins here look pretty cool, and you know, you can see through it. I like transparent materials for that, but this is what it is right now.